Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this 2022 Tesla Model S that we just completed. This vehicle came to us to have some repair work done on the wheels. All four wheels were actually curved up. This Tesla, along with most of them, come with really ugly hubcaps. The point of the hubcaps, they say, is to actually gain some mileage for wind resistance. There's all kinds of studies online that prove that taking the hubcaps off, they don't let you gain any mileage. So I had that one leaning up there just to show you how ugly that thing is. These wheels were actually a graphite color, really nice looking wheel. They didn't match great with the black, so we decided to have all the surface scratches fixed. We had the wheels coated gloss black, they're powder coated, and then we actually installed center caps along with lug nut covers just to make them look nice and finished. The front wheel on this vehicle, the front driver's side, was actually dented. We were going to repair it, but then we saw it was cracked as well, so we sourced a new wheel. Along with the wheel, we saw there was a slice in the tire, so we did two tires for the front of the vehicle. We also had this thing detailed just today. Our buddies from Keith's Auto Detailing hooked this up so you can see how nice and clean this thing is. So the car looks absolutely awesome. So any of you guys with Teslas, if you do want to get the wheels done, we can fix them. We can powder coat them a different color, get rid of those ugly hubcaps. And then we also have a line from Rockin. They make a ton of different SKUs for Teslas. All kinds of really cool stuff. Taillights, interior, digital clusters. They even have a sunroof kit that you can install. There's a power sliding sunroof. So again, guys, the Model 3 guys, the Ys, the S, and of course the X. Anything you want to get done, please give us a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.